Killer now.
Killer Cross.
That Bounty's Diary. How did you come up with that right there?
So, when it comes to artistry, certain things just pop up in your head. And I wouldn't say I smoke a lot of trees more time. Mm-hmm. And I think that helps with my creativity. Some people say, no, it's all you, but when I'm creating more time, I sit down with my coffee and my weed. I'm going to sit down and write. So it could be the weed, it could not be the weed, but I had this stylish book at the time, and my dad did the Killer Vice, and I had a fire ass antique lamp with and a wooden backdrop and a stylish chair, and I'm say, you don't say this look like a nice little confession thing. I'm gonna say, what else? What could I need something else? Probably a book. Come I call it a journal. No, I say diary, because diary a woman thing. You see me? So I say, with Killer now having a diary.
Yeah.
When him no cross in a public, him a write down him thoughts cross in a him book. You understand? Mm-hmm. So what's the say? Bounty's Diary. I say, no, that's shot. That's shot.
Yeah.
And then we voice the audio first, and then me mount it out and edit up the video and bro, that went clear.
Yeah.
That went clear.
Which was the first one that Bounty reposted for you?
The first one that Bounty reposted for me, it wasn't even actually Bounty's Diary, it was them time that him and Alkaline did a war, right? And Alkaline, him did make a video and say Alkaline can't perform, right? And I remade that in my version, and him repost it and tag me and Ray. Whenever people call me and say, yo, Killer just tag you, though. I say, what? The man say, Killer just repost a video and tag you. Go on Instagram. I stay like, I say, yo, who happy like me? Country come a town, Killer repost my thing. I say, yo, this bad. I get a couple thousand followers off him still. I say, big up myself, Killer. But that's the first time him ever repost anything of me. Yeah, man, definitely. Big up, Killer.
But the thing there, because the diary, the Bounty Diary is always so funny to me. It's how, because Killer has a real interesting way of expressing himself and talking. So the way how you could take that back and put it in a way where you're not DJing and you're not talking aggressive. You're just talking nice and calm and put it in. Yeah. Then look at the camera. Say, yo, this guy's a genius, bro.
Yeah. I think I need to start that back, Yeah. I did start it by the other day, but consistently. Yeah, I think I need to bring it back for real.
No, man. Big there. Because even talking about bring back, see, a lot of people are asking you to bring back the Juba, boss.
Yeah.
What is it going to take for you to bring back some Juba?
Juba I bring back Juba, man. It's just, I'm not going to lie to you, bro. As I tell him, I say, I can't do one thing for too long. It get boring to me. I have ADHD, bro. So it's like, I'll do it for a period of time, and then I'm like, I need to move on to something else. That's how I am with even editing. Me have 4 video edit one time. I get tired of this video, and I'm going to jump on that one. And it's like I'm all over the place. I can't stay one place too long. It get boring. So I understand I understand how consistency plays a great role in your rise to fame.
100%.
So this year, as I said, I quit my job last year. So this year is when I really gotta go hard with all these projects. There's not going to be 2-3 days pass and no video no drop. You see me? I'll go weeks without posting videos. I swear, and that it hurts the platform as well. But I do have loyal fans that stay and is waiting. You understand? So I'm not keep waiting too long. I get some things in order, man. Trust me. Yeah. No, it can wait too long.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.